Hey guys, welcome to brosmart, and today's topic is very interesting. I guess all of you heard about the OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro that launched recently, like yesterday or the last week. Now in this video, I'm not going to talk about the specifications of that particular phone. I am going to talk about the special feature that OnePlus rolled on Instagram. So well, you know this is Instagram. I don't have to tell that this is Instagram. So what you have to do is slide like this, go to the story section and slide like this. Now here, as you can see, here is the browse effect. Here are the animation and effects. Search for OnePlus India. So as you can see, this is OnePlus India, so tap on it, and this one is the try it. So if you are using this for once, you can use the try it, or if you want to save it into the camera roll, you have to tap on here and it will be saved to the camera. Now this one is OnePlus 8 Pro. To try out the OnePlus 8 or OnePlus 7, you have to tap on the try it, and as you can see, here is the 8 Pro, and after that here is the 8. Now to actually shoot a unboxing video with Instagram, what you have to do is close the camera section like this, again slide here, and on the left hand side you will get it. So now I will tap to place over here. Here is the box and tap to continue. So I will just tap like this. Here is the user manual, here is the cable, here is the charger, and of course the phone over here. This is really cool. You can also tap on the smartphone and it will appear like this. You can see each and every detail. For example, you can also change the color like this. Now to shoot a video, you have to long press on this button and keep on tapping on the screen like this to slowly unbox it. I think most of the people have Instagram, so if you have Instagram, definitely try out this feature. Please do follow me on brosmart YouTube. I post a lot of pictures over here, a lot of behind the scene photos and also travel photos over here. As you can see, this one, they are really cool and you should definitely follow me. Make sure that you are shooting a video in well lit environment, like under a tube light or under the sun. You can do that. And now in lockdown or self quarantine, you are at home and you have a lot of time to spend, right? So you can find any object like your dining table or your computer table and just shoot the video. You can unbox everything like OnePlus 8 to OnePlus 8 Pro. So yeah, it is super easy and super interesting thing that I thought I must share with you guys. I mean, you can now unbox phones without even purchasing them. It is mind blowing, right? So yeah, let me know in the comment section, did you like it or not? That was for this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, just smash the like button and also subscribe to brosmart for more interesting videos just like this one. So see you guys in my next video.